Mm, I love this. Rain, music, hot chocolate. Perfect.
Oh my gosh.
James, are you okay?
Please don't.
Don't what?
Don't say those words. I know what you want to say.
What words?
You want to say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year's Eve.
Oh, no.
What's wrong? It's New Year's Eve. People are excited.
I'm not excited. I'm tired. Very, very tired.
Tired? But you stayed home for 3 days.
Home? Let me tell you about my Christmas.
What happened?
My mom, 12 family members, cooking, 3 days of cooking. My aunt asked, "When are you getting married?" My cousin's kids ran everywhere. They were so loud. Christmas was a lot of work.
Oh no. So you're exhausted. That means super tired. No energy left.
Yes, exhausted. I thought Christmas was over. Now I can rest. But no, now it's New Year's Eve, and people say I should go to a party.
Well, that's what people do, right?
Do you want to go out tonight?
Uh, you asked first.
That's not an answer.
Okay, fine. No, I don't want to go out.
Really? But you sounded so happy.
I was being nice. I thought you wanted to go, so I tried to be cheerful.
So we're both pretending?
Yes! This is silly. Why are we pretending?
Because everyone expects it. Everyone says you should do something big on New Year's Eve.
I know. My friends are the same. They send me messages. Claire, come to the party. It will be fun. And if I say no, they think I'm boring.
See? Another message. James, come downtown. You have to come. That's the 10th message today.
Me too. Claire, everyone will be there.
If you say no, people think something is wrong with you.
Exactly. And then you worry. You think, maybe I should go. Maybe everyone will have fun without me. Maybe I'll be sad at home.
Yes, that worry. It's so annoying.
I had that worry last year.
What happened last year?
Okay, this is bad. Last year, I went to 3 parties.
3?
3. I couldn't choose which party is the best, so I said, I'll go to all of them. First party at 8, second party at 10, third party at midnight.
Wow, that's a lot.
It was stupid. You know what happened?
What?
I spent all night in cars. Uber, Uber, Uber. 45 minutes here, 30 minutes there. I was so stressed, and Uber was so expensive that night.
I know. $50 for 10 minutes in the car?
Yes, $50. I took 4 Ubers, and every party cost money. $20 here, $30 there. The drinks were expensive too.
How much did you spend?
$300.
$300?
I know. After that, I had no money. Zero.
How? Midnight happens everywhere.
I was in a car. Between party 2 and party 3, there was so much traffic, we couldn't move, and I was so tired, so stressed. I had no money left, and I started crying.
Oh no.
Yeah, so at 11:45, I told the driver, take me home. I went home, changed into my pajamas, ate old pizza, all alone. My makeup was all over my face from crying.
That's the saddest New Year's story I ever heard.
I know, it was so bad. But here's the thing, everyone posted photos that night. Best night ever, so fun. And I looked at those photos, I thought, am I the only one who had a bad night?
Maybe not. Maybe other people were pretending too.
You think?
For sure. You know something interesting? New Year's Eve is the busiest night for text messages.
Really?
Yes, everyone sends Happy New Year at midnight. Millions of messages. But people don't call each other. They just text.
Huh. So everyone is together, but actually,
Actually alone, looking at their phones, taking photos to show they're happy.
wow, that's sad.
Very sad. We show happiness, but maybe we don't feel it.
So why do we do this? Why do we force ourselves to go out when we're tired?
Because we think we should?
But who says that? Who decided New Year's Eve has to be loud and crowded and expensive?
I don't know. Another message. And look, my phone is dying. I forgot to charge it.
Wait, say that again?
My phone is dying?
Yes, your phone is dying because...
Because I forgot to charge it.
Right, so what will you do?
Charge it?
Exactly. You'll plug it in, give it power. You won't keep using it until it stops working, right?
No, that would be dumb.
Okay, so here's my question. Why do we do that to ourselves?
What do you mean?
Your phone has no power. It's at 1%, so you charge it, no problem. But you also have no power. You're exhausted. You have no energy, but you want to go to a loud party and use more energy you don't have.
I never thought about that.
We take care of our phones, but we don't take care of ourselves. Your phone needs power, you give it power, but you need rest, and you feel bad about resting.
So, you're saying I should stay home? Like charging a phone?
I'm saying you need energy, just like a phone needs energy. When your phone has no power, you charge it. You don't say, sorry phone, you're boring, keep working. You just charge it.
That makes sense. So, staying home is like getting power back, like a battery.
Exactly. Going to the party uses energy, like spending money when you have no money. But staying home, that's like plugging in. You get energy back.
Get energy back. That's what I need.
Yes, and James, you need rest. Real rest.
But what if people think I'm boring?
What if people think you're smart? Smart for knowing when to rest? Also, not everyone celebrates New Year tonight, you know?
What do you mean?
Like in China, the big celebration is different. It's called Chinese New Year. That's in January or February. So right now, for many people, tonight is just a regular Thursday.
Wait, really?
Yeah, and even here, lots of people stay home on New Year's Eve. They just don't post about it online.
Because I stayed home and slept doesn't look cool on Instagram.
Exactly. But that doesn't mean it's wrong. Many happy people don't care about New Year's Eve.
So I'm not weird for wanting to stay home?
You're not weird. You're tired, and that's okay.
Okay, I'm doing it. I'm not going.
Good. Tell your friends.
I'm texting them now. Hey guys, I'm not coming tonight. Have fun. See you next year.
How does that feel?
Good. Really good. I feel lighter, like I put down something heavy.
See? Everything is fine.
Yeah, the world didn't end.
Nope. So what's your plan? You're staying in too?
Yeah, same as you. Cozy pajamas, hot chocolate, maybe pizza, watch a movie, sleep early.
That sounds just perfect.
So, Claire, what about you?
Same. I learned my lesson last year. No parties, no expensive cars, no crying.
Smart?
But I have a question. Be honest.
Okay.
If you sleep until noon tomorrow, will you feel bad? Like you wasted time?
Maybe. Part of me thinks I should wake up early, do something, start the year right, you know?
But what if starting right means starting with energy?
What do you mean?
Think about it. If you wake up at 6 a.m. on January 1st, but you're super tired and unhappy, is that really a good start?
I guess not.
But if you sleep until noon and you wake up feeling good and happy and ready, isn't that better?
Yeah, that's true.
Rest is not lazy, James. Rest is like fuel. You know fuel? It's what cars need, gasoline.
Yeah.
Sleep is your fuel. If you start the year with no fuel, you can't go anywhere. But if you have fuel, you can go far.
Rest is fuel. I like that.
Me too. So don't feel bad tomorrow, okay? Sleep and feel good about it.
Sleep and feel good. No bad feelings.
Exactly. You deserve rest.
So do you.
Thanks, James.
You know what? I already feel better. Just making the decision, I feel good.
That's because you're giving yourself permission. Permission to rest, permission to say no, permission to do what you need.
Everyone should have this talk before New Year's Eve.
Thanks, Claire. I really needed this talk.
Me too. Okay, listeners, here's our question for you. What's your plan tonight? Going out? Staying in? And are you doing what you want or what you think you should do?
Think about it. Be honest. And whatever you choose, don't feel bad about it.
All right, James, time to go. You have a date with your couch.
And you have a date with hot chocolate.
Perfect dates.
Okay, I'm going home, putting on my comfy pajamas, ordering a huge pizza, and sleeping. A lot of sleeping.
That sounds amazing. Happy New Year, James. Sleep well.
Happy New Year, Claire. See you next year.
That's tomorrow.
I know, but it sounds cool.
To everyone listening, Happy New Year. However you spend tonight, make it your choice. Rest if you need it, party if you want it. Just don't let other people decide for you.
If you liked today's episode, please like and subscribe. We're here every day with new conversations to help your English.
That's it for today. Stay cozy, stay rested. See you in the new year.
My couch is calling me.
Go, get your energy back.